In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate an Amazon affiliate link so you can earn a commission when someone clicks your link and buys a product. I'll also share a few important tips you need to know. First, go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. This is Amazon's official affiliate program. Click on the Amazon.com Associates link and sign up if you haven't already. Important, if you sign up for the Amazon.com program, you can only promote products from Amazon.com. If your audience is in another country, you may need to join that country's Amazon Associates program as well. Once your account is approved, log in. Now go to Amazon and find a product you want to promote. For example, let's say you want to promote an Apple Pencil. Click on the product page. At the top of the page, you should see the Amazon Associates SiteStripe bar. This appears when you're logged in to your affiliate account. From here, click Get Link, then choose Text. You can select either a full link or a short link. I recommend choosing the short link because it looks cleaner and is easier to share. Copy the link, and that's your affiliate link. When someone clicks it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You'll also earn commission on other qualifying products they buy within 24 hours. Now, if you don't see the SiteStripe bar, make sure you're logged in to your Amazon Associates account. Then go to Tools, click SiteStripe, and ensure it's enabled. One more important tip. If someone from the UK clicks your Amazon.com link, they'll be redirected to the US store, and they may not buy. To fix this, you can use link localization tools that automatically redirect users to their local Amazon store. And that's how you generate an Amazon affiliate link step by step. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials.